I'm heading to Orange County to pick up Prius.
Turn left onto Riverwalk Parkway.
Relatives. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. So my guys saw the ad on Craiglist for $8,500 for the 2013 Prius 2, and then he offered the seller for $7,500, and he accepted. But there was a minor issue on the rear bumper. There was like an accident that was on the Carfax, and then we'll see if you could get it lowball to 7,000. Okay. Well, we got a typical traffic on Friday. As you can see, all lanes are congested. So let's go ahead and then go to Carfax. Normally, before you buy a car, you want to go to check the Carfax, but that doesn't really mean anything, okay, guys? Some of the accident or the Carfax does not show. I'm not sure why, unless the owner did not report it with their insurance, and then just go ahead and fix by themselves, so they could avoid from showing on their Carfax report saying that they got involved into the accident. So we were checking out with we went to check out the car, and unfortunately the Carfax say there's a little incident on the back of the bumper. And when we actually go check out the car, open up the hoods, and then notice the right passenger fender was repainted. So I'm pretty sure that it got involved with the accident. And then somehow the fuse cover in the engine bay area was not even there, so it's kind of fishy. So we just walk away, and then did not buy the car, because my relatives thought he was going to buy the car because it says excellent condition. So when we actually see in person, it was like kind of like a junk. Well, not really junk, but the interior was all messed up, and then by the steering wheel, it's like the material coming out, and then on the radio sections, one of the finish was like scratches pretty bad, and the interior just looks so. Alright, so anyway, if you guys want, you could go ahead and then enter the VIN number or the license plate number into the state and check on the Carfax. My relative, he bought like 3 vehicle, I think around $60 on here, but hopefully he's not gonna waste his time or money on checking the car when the owners did not report it on here with the insurance. Let me check over here. No play and no license plate. See what's. So yeah, apparently he if you check on one car fax report, it's like $39.99, and 3 cars like $59.99. Good deal. And if you need to buy like a package, 6 car deals like $99.99. But I don't really trust this. Okay, you just need to go out there and check out the vehicle in person. And unless you bring this car to the mechanic and let them check it, and you pay like a fee. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. So try to be a smart shopper. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like always, peace.